Welcome. Today, we're diving into a common issue many Samsung users face, a malfunctioning microphone. Let's get started. There are several reasons your microphone might not be working, such as software glitches, blocked microphones, and settings issues. Let's explore these. First, let's check your sound settings and permissions to ensure everything's set correctly. If the settings are fine, the next step is to simply restart your device. It can often resolve minor issues. Next, ensure the microphone area is clean. Dust or debris can obstruct sound. Now, let's test the microphone in safe mode to rule out third-party app interference. Ensure your software and apps are up to date. Software updates can fix bugs related to hardware functionality. If problems persist, try resetting app preferences or settings. This won't erase your data. Lastly, if nothing else works, a factory reset can restore your device to its original state, but be sure to back up important data first. If you're still facing issues after these steps, it might be time to seek professional help. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helped.